So what I would do day one is go in and talk to sales. You talk to sales first because sales knows how to turn people into revenue. So those conversations get put into revenue. That revenue gets shot up to finance. So you first need to talk to sales. You know how the money's coming in, what's working, what type of customers are good, what type of customers are not good. Then you take that conversation over to finance and you say, look, here's my understanding of how we're making money, of how revenue is coming in here. Is this true? And show you understand the big picture and in terms of revenue generation. Then once you understand customers from a sales perspective and what finance is looking for, now you understand what the CEO really cares about, and you can get in and talk to the CEO and create your goal for the engagement. So I would say customer problems are first, silos are second, and then building trust for sure is your number one thing to do the first day you get in. Yeah. And a little about me, my name is David Schaefer. I am the fractional CMO at Gangbusters, and Gangbusters has a really tight focus on understanding buyers, and we'll get them to do something, or to buy something, or to subscribe to something, even just to believe something. So we're very focused on those internal buyer mindsets, and it sounds like a narrow focus, and it is on purpose, because there's a lot involved in understanding strangers and getting them to come close. So my clients are in a marketplace where the prospects don't see a difference between them. It's apples versus apples.
Right.
And that could be a tough place to get out of. But to become a category leader, you want to find ways to kind of crawl your way out of that. So we figure out how to help them understand their customers better, and that becomes the North Star. And then from there, we can optimize individual channels and improve results.
Hey, something you said there reminded me of something. So about talking to sales, right?